Just turn a corner, see, and you'll find something completely different.
Well, I said to you, and I find other walks.
You did, and we found one.
I said to you, they're around.
Yeah.
They're around. You've got to go left instead of right, up instead of down.
That's right.
Which is what we did, and all of a sudden we come across this, which we never seen it before.
Never
Seen that Dardy, all those houses.
No.
We've never seen them.
Seen people walking back with their dogs.
Yeah. Never seen them.
But of course, by the time we've reached that part, we're sort of, you know.
I never knew this existed. We've come to Crickhowell 1,001 times.
Yeah.
I never knew it was, you know, if you said to somebody, we're looking for walks, they say, have you tried the Esquire walk? And you say, well, where's that?
Where's that?
I say, it's only by the Derby, you know. Never, you know what I mean? It's not...
I know. Wouldn't even know where that is. But now we do. Goodness me.
Yeah, pipes, all the water.
Does it level off up there, or is it still...
Yeah, it does level off a bit, so which is handy, because you tend to, you're going up.
Yeah.
But then it kind of leveled off a bit, so I don't know what...
Have to check it in one of the books.
Yeah,
really?
It goes like that.
Like a little map.
That's Valley Walk. Yeah, funny though, I said to you now, you have to look for other walks. And you've got to go a little bit further down, and you've got to buy a book really. And see, the book would have pointed this out. Like, oh my God, we've come across this by sheer accident.
Yeah.
You know.
It's good really though, isn't it? Not knowing.
Oh yeah.
Not knowing what's there.
Yeah, no, you come across this like...
Considering we don't live that far away.
Like they call it now, that's how we, you know, like come across. A lot of water, look at the water coming off.
Yeah, you imagine. A couple of storms.
Rain at night. See, I told you now, we do get wet at night. Man.
This would turn to mud.
Yeah, I mean, this will be quite full tonight. See Croeso House.
You can look that up.
Croeso House, and there's other ones up there, like. You can go up there, like, no?
Yeah.
That doesn't mean that's all there, mate.
Right, so he's disappeared up there, but I've told him not to go too far, leave me on my own. This is called the Esquire Walk, apparently. So we can probably walk at least up to Brecon, maybe. Or, because we're in the Brecon Beacons now, which is like a national park. So hopefully he'll not head all the way to Brecon, which is probably about 15 miles or something. Anyway, let's have a look where we are. I'm sat on a tree trunk. Beautiful tall trees. It's Thursday afternoon, June. It's fabulous. Do love the quiet. Nobody around. There's not even any birds tweeting.